Good evening, Mom.
Yeah, good evening to Gagan Sai.
Okay.
Today is the 7th class mathematics. Chapter number is the 15th, symmetry.
Okay.
Yeah, today we learn the new exercise 15.2. Today we learn it only in Telangana State Book. Page number is the 282 to 283 only. Okay, now today we learn it only. Yeah, first of all, before you can learn this, try this of this bit is also today we learn it only. Yeah, look at the textbook Gagan Sai. Be carefully, listen better neatly. Yeah, first one. Given below are different types of triangles. Do all the triangles have the same number of lines of symmetry? Which triangles has more? Here it is the three different triangles. Three different triangles are given here. It is our first triangle. All our sides are different only. And the second triangle is the two sides are equal and one side is the different. And it is the third triangle is the all are the sides are equal. All our angles is also equal only. So that's why the first one is the scalene triangle. Second one is the two sides are equal. So that's why it can the isosceles. And fourth one is the all our sides and all our angles are equal. So that's why this is the equilateral triangle. So that's why is the scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is that do all the triangles have the same number of lines of symmetry, but there is no lines of symmetry in our scalene triangle. All our sides are not equal. So that's why there is no lines of symmetry. And the isosceles is that you are only one line of symmetry. You can draw here. It is only one line of symmetry. Vertical line of symmetry. So this is the isosceles. And then next is the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is the three lines of, you can draw the three lines of symmetry only. Okay? Yeah. This is the first one. Which triangle? Yeah, what's are asking here? It is number of lines of symmetry is over, and all are that do all the triangles have the same number of lines of symmetry? No. Here it is that no only. But here it is the only one loop. One in this isosceles triangle is the only one line of symmetry, and the equilateral triangle is the only three only. So that's why all are the number of lines of symmetry same. Or do all the triangles have the same number of lines of symmetry?
No.
No, all are the different lines of symmetry. So our next question, which triangle has more? Which triangle has more? Here it is the no, 1 and 3. So that's why the 3. Equilateral triangle is more. So that's why what's the answer is the equilateral triangle is more. That is the equilateral. Equilateral triangle is more. Okay? Yeah. Next one is the second bit. Given below are different types of quadrilaterals. Do all them have the same number of lines of symmetry? Which quadrilaterals has the most? Yeah, given below the different types of quadrilaterals. These are all the quadrilaterals, closed figures on four sides only. So that's why it is the quadrilateral. Yeah, first one is the rhombus. Here it is the square and rectangle. Yeah, rhombus. Yeah, do all of them you have the same number of lines of symmetry. So you can draw the lines of symmetry is the diagonals 2. In your rhombus is the two lines of symmetry. You can draw here it is. And next is the square. Square is the one you can draw the one horizontal and one is the verticals and two is the diagonals. Total is the in this figure our square in our total lines of symmetry is the 4 and in our rhombus is the only 2 only. And next is the rectangle. Rectangle is the you can draw the horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. So that's why the total is the number of lines of symmetry. Total is the 2 only. So what are asking here? It is do all of them have the same number of lines of symmetry? No, here it is also all are these are the two figures is the same, but our square is different only. So that's why it is the no. First question is the no. Here it is also no. First question is the no. Which quadrilateral has the most? Which quadrilateral has the most?
Square.
Square is the most. Very good. What's answer is the square. Square is most one. Next, third question. On the basis of above two cases, can we say that regular polygon has the maximum number of axes of symmetry? On the above two cases, this first cases and second cases, can we say a regular polygon has the maximum number of axes of symmetry? Here it is that 3 is the equilateral triangle in our first case only. And next second case is the 4 square. Square is the quadrilateral is that most. Which regular polygon is that this one or this one?
4.
Yeah, 4 square. So that's why what's the answer is the square is the maximum number of axes of symmetry. What's the answer is the square. Okay, now because here it is the more lines of symmetry. So that's why this is the maximum number of axes of symmetry is the square. This is over of try this bits is over and next. Yeah, continue the exercise 2. Today we will learn the all problems and solutions only. Okay, now? Yeah, first one. First bit. In the figures given below, find the axis of symmetry such that on folding along the axis, the two dots falls on each others. They are given below are all are that are 9 bits are there. In the first bit list, all our figures is the 9 figures are there. Okay, na? 9 figures only. Find the axis of symmetry, you can find out only. Yeah, first of all, you can on the folding along the axis, two dots falls on each others. Two dots. First of all, fold it. This figure is the fold it only. Yeah, also you can how many find of axis of symmetry, you can find the axis of symmetry only. Yeah, first figure. Yeah, let us take that one by one. Our figures explaining here. With figures only. So this is the first figure of this is the first figure only. So that's why you can is the first of all this figure is fold it only. Okay, now yeah, fold it, but you are along the axis of your two dots are falls on each other only, and the two dots are coincide with each other, both sides. So you can coincide with each others. Is it correct?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So that's why you can is the here it is the find the axis of symmetry means is the vertical lines of axis of symmetry. Lines of symmetry or axis of symmetry. That is the first figure is the what's one is the vertical only. Here see better no, this is the note. What's one is the notes only. Yeah, first one in this figure given below, find the axis of symmetry such that on folding along the axis two dots falls on each other only. So that's why you can is the first one is the you can draw the vertical. Okay, na? Yeah, next one is this is the solutions only. One by one figures you can solutions write on our notebook only. Yeah, next is the second figure. This is the second figure only. Okay, na? Yeah, this is the second figures and two dots only. If you have this figure is fold it only along the axis. Axis two dots falls on each other and coincide with each other. Okay, is it correct?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's why you can lines of symmetry is the diagonal only. Axis of symmetry is the diagonal. Okay.
Okay.
Are you okay? Yeah, next one. Next is the third figure only. Yeah, this is the third figure. Okay. Yeah, third figure this one only. So that's why you can is the fold it. This figure is fold it and you can axis of the first one is the along the axis two dots falls on each other or coincide with each other. So that is the horizontal. You can draw the horizontal only. Horizontal. Okay. Yeah, next one is the fourth figure. Fourth figure is this like a fourth figure only. So that's why you can is the this figure is also fold it only. So that's why you can is the axis of this like is that horizontal only. Okay, na? Symmetry is that only one only. Next one is the fifth one only. What's the fifth one? Here see textbook is also there. Here it is that fifth one only. So that's why this is the fifth only. Yeah, first one is that this is that fold it only. Fold this one or one is the horizontal and your these are two dots are coincide with each other's only, and falls on each other's only. Axis along the two dots falls on each other's only. And then is the vertical is also you can both these two dots, okay na, these two dots are coincide
Okay.
with each other's only. So that's why here is the one is the horizontal and another one is the vertical only, okay na. Yeah, next one is the, this is the sixth figure only. Sixth figure is the, yeah, this figure only. Yeah, this figure you can fold it only, vertical only, okay na. Yeah, two dots are coincide with each other, so that's why you can use that along the axis two dots falls on each other, so that's why the vertical we can draw the vertical line of symmetry. And next one is the seventh figure only. Yeah, seventh one, okay na. This is the seventh figure only. Seventh figure you can fold it only, so that's why you can, this is the fold horizontal only, okay na. Two dots are along the two dots falls on each other's only, along the axis two dots falls on each other, so the horizontally you can draw the horizontal line of symmetry. And next figure, another figure is the, what's the another figure, circle only, so that's why you can this one only. First of all, yeah, this is the fold it only, vertically you can fold the vertically the two dots are coincide with each other's only, okay na.
Yes.
Next is the horizontal. Horizontal is also are both the two dots are coincide with each other's only, okay na, vertical and horizontal, so that's why I can two only. And here it is the 4, here it is the 1, okay na.
Okay.
It is also 1, here it is the 2, and here it is also a last figure is the this figure only, so that's why I can is the, first of all fold the horizontal, and next is the vertical, okay na. Next is the infinity, here it is this like only, line of symmetry is this like only, okay na. Are you understood Gagan sai?
Yes.
Yeah, infinity kana, this like is the infinity line of axis of symmetry you can draw, here it is. And this your first bit of, are you understood Gagan sai neatly? Are you okay?
Yes.
Yeah, this bit is over, and next goes to the second bit only. Here this like only, given the axis of symmetry for below figures but only one part as a dot, find the other part. You can find the other part only. Yeah, axis of symmetry below figures but only one part is given, you are given your given figure only, you can find the other part only. So
Yeah.
that's why you can one by one you are explaining with the figures only. Gagan sai first figure. Yeah, this is the first figure only, one dot. Here it is that one dot only, okay na. One dot, here so fold it only, if the figure is fold it only. Yeah, one part here it is, and other part is also, both are the symmetry only, so that's why one part or other part is also same only, so that's why you can is the other part, you can find the other part. This like here it is the other part only, other dot here it is only, okay na. Why? Because you can symmetry only, this figure is the symmetry, so that's why along fold the axis of lines of symmetry, I can both are the dots are coincide with each other only, so that's why I can other part is also same place only. Yeah, next is the another one only. What's the this like of a figure? Here this is also I can fold this one only. Here it is the one part and other part is also this like only, okay. And both is this like, okay. Here it is the other part of dot, okay na. Are you understood?
Yes.
Yeah, next one only. Next one you can directly Gagan say, here it is also another figure, but you are fold this figure, other part is this like only, okay na. Why? Because you can one part is the same, and symmetry means is the other part is also same, so that's why you can is the, this is also other part, find the other part only, and you can this figure only, okay na. Are you understood?
Yes.
Yeah, fold the lines of symmetry. This figure is folded, and you can, here it is the one dot and other dot is also other side only. Why? Because you can both sides are symmetrical only, identical. So that's why you can the other dot is here. If it's over of that bit is it's over. Are you understood Gagan neatly?
Yes.
Yeah. Next one is the third one only. What's the third one? First of all, I read in your question. In the following incomplete figures, the mirror line, that is the line of symmetry, is given as dotted line. Complete each figure performing reflection on the dotted mirror line and draw in your notebook. You might perform place a mirror along the dotted line and look into the mirror for the image. Can you recall the name of the figure you complete? Okay na? Complete. Here it is that all of the figures are 1 to 6 figures there only. Yeah, this is all are the incomplete figures, but your is all are finishing only, but you are leave it here with that notebook. I am explaining on our notebook only. Yeah, this is the solutions. First of all, you can write down the solutions one by one. Yeah, this is the incomplete figures. These all are the incomplete figures only. So mirror line is given here dotted lines. These are all the dotted lines. First of all, you complete the each figure. You can complete only. Okay, now. Draw in your notebook, you can this all is the notebook, you can complete. First of all, you can complete the what's one figure. All are the figures, and what's the name? What's the name of the figure? You write it only. Okay, na? One by one. Yeah, first one is the same. Because you can hear it is the other part is also same. Okay, na? Why? Because you can hear is the all are that symmetry only. So that's why you can same of this like only. This is the complete only. What's the shape of this one? What's the name? Do you know the name?
Rectangle.
Square.
Okay.
What's the name?
Square.
Square. Very good. Next one is the other part.
Triangle.
You can draw same as it is. You can draw the other part. Same as it is. Other part you can draw. What's the name?
Triangle.
Triangle. Very good. Yeah. Next one.
Rhombus.
The other part is the
Rhombus.
rhombus. Very good. Yeah. Next one is the. This is the circle of circle. So that's why you can draw the other side is also same. So that's why it's a full circle. What's the name?
Circle.
Yeah. Next one is the other part. Same. You can draw the other part also. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. So that's what's the name? Pentagon. Okay na? Pentagon. P-A-G-O-N. Okay na? P-A-G-O-N. Pentagon. P-E-N-T-A-G-O-N. Pentagon. Next one. Okay na? Are you okay, Gagan, say neatly?
Yes.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only.
Octagon.
Octagon. Okay na? This is the pentagon. Okay, are you understood, Gagan, say? Yeah, this bit is also it's over, and next goes to the fourth one only.
2 or 4.
Yeah, first of all I read in our textbook only. State whether the following statements are true or false. First one. Every closed figure has an axis of symmetry. Every closed figure has an axis of symmetry.
True.
Every closed figure is the axis of symmetry.
No, false.
All are every closed figures is not axis of symmetry. Why? Because here it is all are the closed figures only. In our C beta in our 15.1 here all are the two figures is also there.
Close, but one figure is not close.
Here is all are the closed figures.
One figure
But
is
this is also closed figure.
Yes.
But not
symmetry.
not
Symmetry.
axis. What's one is the axis of symmetry.
Symmetry.
But here
False.
this is that is no symmetry. But here no axis of symmetry. So that's why what's the
False.
answer is the false. And second one, a figure with at least one axis of symmetry is called a symmetric figure.
Yes, true.
Yeah, figure at least one axis of symmetry.
True.
Is a compulsory is a symmetry is a true only. True. Yeah, next one. Third one. A regular polygon of 10 sides will have 12 axes of symmetry.
No.
12 axes of 10 sides. A regular polygon is that 10 sides only. But here how to draw that 12 axis of symmetry? It's not possible only.
Yes, only
So
10
that's why it is
sides.
the 10 sides only. Here it is that
False.
polygon is the 10 sides. But here it is the false only. Okay na, but the axis of not don't draw the 12 axis of symmetry only. So that's why this is also it's over, and already it's a finishing of this bit is also okay na in your notebook. So that's why the next last one only, fifth one. Construct a square and draw all its axes of symmetry. Measure the angles between each pair of successive axes of symmetry. What do you notice? Does the same rule apply for other regular polygons? Okay now.
Yeah,
First one is the construct a square and draw all axis symmetry. First of all, you can draw the all axis symmetry and measure the angles. What's the what's the angles between each pair of successive axis symmetry? What do you notice? And does the same rule apply for the other regular polygons? If it's a solution, you can write down in your notebook. Be carefully, listen better neatly. Yeah, first solution only. What's the is the construct a square. Draw. First of all, you can draw the one square only. Draw. Yeah, first you can draw the one square only. You can square, draw all its axis of symmetry. First of all, you can horizontal, you can draw the axis of symmetry, and next is the vertical only. Other is also diagonals, and two diagonals you can draw the all are axis of symmetries. You can draw here. It is in this figure only. So that's why you can is all are the 90 degrees only. In our square is all are the angles are is the 90 degrees. Each this one corner is that 90 degrees, and the total is the 360 degrees. In this polygon is that 360 degrees only. In this figure is the total angle is the 360 degrees only. Yeah, so that's why you can is the words are asking here, measure the angles between the each pair of the successive axis of symmetry. And each pair of the successive axis of symmetry in any polygon is the 360 degrees only. So that's a 90 degrees plus 90 degrees, 90 degrees plus 90 degrees. Total is the 360 degrees only. So this is the successive pair, each pairs of successive only. And 2 only. And this is the, here it is the total is the 90 degrees. And 45 degrees, and here it is also another one is also 45. 45 plus 45 equal to the 90 degrees. Okay now. And what's here it is write on the solution the other side neatly. The angles between each pair of successive axis of symmetry equal to 360 degrees by 2n. Okay na, and 360 degrees by 2 into is the number of angles. Number of angles is the 4 only. So that's why you can is the and total angles is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 only. So that's why you can is the 360 degrees by 8 only. 2 4 ja 8. Okay, are you understood? I can say 2n ante 2 kada, each pair of the successive angles only. This is 1 and 2 only. So that's why 2n only. Total is the 4. So that's why I can is the 360 degrees by 8 only. All are the angles only. Sum of the all are the angles is the 8 only. So that's why I can 360 by 8. So that's why the 8 1 ja 8 and 8 4 ja 42, 8 5 ja 8 okay na, 8 5 ja 40. So that's why it is the 45 degrees only. Okay na, are you understood? I can say okay na, if it's each the angles between the each pair of successive axis axis symmetry is the 45 degrees only. Okay, are you understood? But your question asking you, what's the question? Does the same rule apply for other regular polygons? Yes, this is true. This is true. Yeah, same rule apply for other. This is true. Same rule apply for other regular polygons. Other regular polygons. Okay, are you understood Gagansa neatly? Yeah, this is the solution. This over. Are you understood Gagansa neatly? Or fifth bit? Are you understood? Fifth problem? Are you understood? Yeah, this is that it's over of all of the problems and solutions. It's over in this exercise 15.2 only. Okay, now all problems and solutions is over. And next goes to the next topic. Remember? The next topic is the rotational symmetry. What is the rotational symmetry? Yeah, before you can learn another one point, Gagan. What's the point is for examples of is the diagonal of a rectangle a line of symmetry? Is the diagonal of a rectangle is a line of symmetry? This is the one rectangle only. What's the rectangle? Is the diagonal. If it's a fold, this figure is the fold. Yeah. Here draw the one diagonal only. Here this is the rectangle. You can draw the one diagonal. If it's a two triangles divided into the diagonal is divided into two triangles. Two triangles are congruent and same only. So, but unfolding in this this figure is folding along its diagonals. We can see here if it's all are that both are the coincide with each others. No, here is all are not. Here not both sides are not coincide with each others. So that's why it is the diagonal. It is not a line of symmetry. Okay, now what's the question? Is the diagonal of a rectangle is a line of symmetry? No, it is not a line of symmetry. Rectangle it is not a line of symmetry. It's one point only. Okay, now are you understood? Gagan side? Yeah. Next one is the what's the rotational symmetry. Yeah, another topic is the rotational symmetry. Yeah, today we will learn this one only. Concept time 3 and ASP 4 in our expert book part 2 only. And Telangana state book is the 15.2. Yeah, rotational symmetry. After later learn it only. First of all, you can expert book part 2. And this same concept you can today we will learn it only. First one is the rotational symmetry. What is the rotation? Yeah, see button here it is the one figure there you can see neatly. Yeah, rotation is the process of turning a given shape. This is the given shape or object through an angle about a fixed point. Okay, now about a fixed point. It is called as the rotation. It is called as the rotation. Are you understood? You can see neatly. The rotation is the process of turning. This is the process of turning given shape or an object through an angle about its fixed point is called as the rotation. Here it is the two directions of it can have rotate the two directions. One is the clockwise directions, another one is the anti-clockwise direction. This is the clockwise and this is the anti-clockwise direction only. Here full turn. So this is the one turn. It's one turn. All are turns. Full turns means is the rotation of 360 degrees. It's rotated the 360 degrees. That is the full turn. It's completed only. One full turn is completed. Okay, are you understood? Again, say, and this like it full turn and circle shape. If it's a 360 degrees, it's over, and that is the full turn only. Full turn means is the rotation of 360 degrees only. Yeah, if it's this is that. Are you understood? Again, say, if it's let us consider one examples only. A national flag of examples. Today we learn it. This is the one national flag only. Yeah, first one is the rotate by 90 degrees only. First one is the rotated by the 90 degrees and this is the 1/4 turn only. Okay, now first figure is the 1/4 turn rotated by the this is the national flag is rotated by the 90 degrees. This is the 1/4 turn and next second figure. Second figure is it is rotated by the 180 degrees. 180 degrees means is the 1/2 turn only. This is the off turn. Okay, now this shape only. We will get this like of this shape only. And next one is the third figure. Third figure. First it is rotated by the 270 degrees. This figure is rotated by the 270 degrees and 3/4 turn only. Okay, are you understood? 3/4 turn. And next one is the last figure, fifth figure. It is rotated, is one turn is completed only. So that's why the 4/4 means is the one turn only. One turn is completed and 360 degrees is completed. So then we will get the same position. Okay, now first 90 degree, if it's rotated by 90 degrees, this we will get this like only. And next one is the 180. This is the one turn. If it's a one turn is completed, and if it's a 360 degrees is completed, if it's a original, we will get this the original position of that national flag is it's a coming only. Are you understood again neatly? Yeah, first of all, you can rotation definition, you can write down the definition only. Rotation is the process of turning a given shape or object through an angle about a fixed point, okay, is called rotation. Are you understood the concept neatly? Okay, now and in one full turn of figure, yeah, if it looks exactly same, yet yeah, two or more positions, we can say the figure is then the figure is called as the rotational symmetry. Okay, now this is the figure is called as the rotational symmetry. Is a 4 turns. If it's a 4 turns, this is a 4, and we will get that the same position. And if it's in this figure, one full turn only. And if it looks exactly the same, okay, na? 2 or more positions, so we can say that the figure is a rotational symmetry. What that is like only. And one examples for the rotational symmetry only. Yeah, also like a definition you can write on the rotational symmetry. Okay, Gagan say neatly. And what's one here? It is in one full turn. This is the full turn. One full turn a figure. If it looks exactly the same, and then if it's one full turn, it looks exactly the same. Yet, yeah, some figures is that 2 or more positions also there. 2 or more position only. 2 or more position. Here it is the, in this figure is the 4 positions. So that's why it is the 4. Here it is the 2 or more positions. So we can say that then the figure is rotational symmetry. Are you understood the concept neatly? What's the rotational symmetry? Are you understood? Okay, now what's the rotational symmetry? And in one full in this example, if it's in one full turn of figure, if it looks exactly the same only. If it's same at 2 or more position only. So that's why we can say that the figure is called as the rotational symmetry. Let us have one examples throw an examples today we will learn that's what's the rotational symmetry. Examples today we will learn it only. One example. Here it is that an example. Let us have pin down playing card. This is the playing card. Playing card. Do you know the playing card? This is the playing card only. Let us pin down only. At the edge it is center only. First of all, it rotated by the 90 degrees only. It is rotated by the first. This is the pin cord. This is the original position. This is the original of the pin playing cord only. So that's why the playing cord is first of all is rotated by the 90 degrees only. Every time you can rotate it by the 90 degrees. If it's completed the one rotation and see what's happening If it's a what's the this is the this point is the center of rotation only. Are you understood? Gagan say every time only rotated by the 90 degrees and rotated by 90 degrees and rotated by 90 degrees and rotated by 90 degrees. Every time it's completed one rotation only. One rotation is completed. What's happening there only? And what's are here? It is the same position. If you say this chord is rotated by 90 degrees and again is the rotated by 90 degrees. 90 plus 90, 180 degrees. Same as the we will get that the same as original playing chord is there only. Okay, now when you are by your it's rotated by the 180 degrees, same as the original chord is coming only. Okay, are you understood neatly? Yeah. What's the center of rotation? This is the center of rotation. What's the definition of the center of rotation? Yeah, but the point about which a figure is rotated by is known as the center of rotation only. The point about which a figure is rotated is known as center of rotation. Center of rotation, are you understood? I can say the point about which a figure point is rotated. This is the center of rotation. Next is the angle of rotation. Angle of rotation. If it's in this figure is rotated by the 180 degrees. 180 degrees, we will get the original figure only. Okay, now we will get that the original figure. So that's why what's the definition of the angle of rotation? The minimum angle by which a figure must be rotated to get the original figure is called as the angle of rotation. Okay, now what's the definition of the angle of rotation? And this chord is the angle of rotation. What's the angle of rotation? Is the 180 degrees. 180 degrees, we will get that the original only. Okay, now original chord, original figure only. So that's why what's the definition of the angle of rotation? The minimum angle by which the figure must be rotated to get the original figure is called as the angle of rotation. Are you understood, Gagan sir, neatly?
Yes.
So what's that? The minimum angle by which, are you understood?
Yes.
And here is this chord is the angle of rotation. What's the angle of rotation? 180 degrees only. Yeah, which a figure must be rotated to get the original figure. Is called angle of rotation. Okay, na? Angle of rotation. Are you understood, Gagan sir, neatly? Are you okay now? Are you understood? Yeah, next one is the order of rotation. What's the order of rotation? In this figure of order of rotation, what's the order of rotation? Yeah, and the number of times a figure looks exactly the same in complete rotation of, this is the complete rotation of 360 degrees is called as the order of rotation. Okay, now, yeah, this is that in full rotation. If it's order of rotation is the only given chord is only 2 only. Okay, now are you understood, Gagan sai? Order of rotation is the only 2 only. 1, 2 only. Okay, now. Are you okay? What's the definition in order of rotations? And in your two positions, in your full rotation, 2 positions only, 1 and 2 only. 2 positions where the shape looks exactly the same. So that's why you can order of angle of rotation is the 180 degrees and order of rotation is the only 2 position, 2 only. Are you understood?
Yes.
Definitions you can write on the definition. Okay, the number of times, how many number of times? Here it is the 2 positions only. So that's why it is the number of times. The number of times a figure looks exactly the same. Looks exactly the same in complete rotation, in a complete rotation of 360 degrees is called order of rotation, is called the order of rotation. Are you understood, Gagan sir? Order of rotation, అంటే ఇన్ కంప్లీట్ రొటేషన్లో ది నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ ది కోడ్ ఈజ్ ది నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అంటే దేర్ ఆర్ ద టూ పొజిషన్స్ ఓన్లీ వేర్ దట్ సేఫ్ ఈజ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ద సేమ్. సో దట్స్ వై ఇక్కడ ఇస్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ ద దిస్ ఫిగర్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఫోర్ ద ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ రొటేషన్, ది ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ rotation, the order of rotation of this figure equal to 2 only. Next, therefore the angle of rotation of this figure equal to 180 degrees. Are you understood, Gagan sir?
Yes.
Through examples, are you understood? Complete rotations, the number of times a figure is rotated 180 degrees is rotated two positions, the number of 2 times. So that's why it is that order of figure rotation is the figure 2 and angle of rotation is the 2 only. And another examples, through another examples, Gagan sir, some more examples. For examples of another examples here. Yeah, continue the same class. Yeah, let us see the order of rotation for the following shapes. Yeah, these are the 2 shapes only. Examples, Gagan sir, yeah, first one, first shape. Yeah, this one is that first figure, initial figure only. Initial figure is the rotated by 90 degrees. Okay na? This is the A only. A of the square name is the A. Yeah, it is the 1, 2, 3, 4 squares only. So that's why the square name is the A. It is rotated by the 90 degrees. It is rotated by the initial figure. It is rotated by the 90 degrees. And this one only. We will get this like only. And then again is the 180 degrees. This like only. And here it is that 270 degrees. This square, we will get this figure only. After order, and if it's in full rotation, in this figure, in full rotation, 4 positions are 4 positions where the shape looks exactly the same only. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now here in this position, initial positions are this only. There are 4 positions where the shapes looks exactly the same. Are you understood? This figure is the also order of the rotation is the 4 only. Okay na? And after 360 degrees we will get this like one. And 4 times we will get the original position only. Okay na? Same position and the order of the rotation. Are you understood, Gagan sir? The order of rotation. The order of rotation equal to 4. One time, and then again this style, and this one, then again this one, then this one. Total is the circle shape. After one complete rotation, after shape we will get this like only. Yeah, first one is the angle of rotation. Angle of rotation. The angle of a rotation. In this figure, the angle of rotation. In this figure equal to 90 degrees. Then order of rotation is the 4 only. Order of rotation is the 4 and angle of rotation in this figure is the 90 degrees. Are you understood, Gagan sir, neatly? Yeah, next one is the another equilateral triangle. Another example. So that's why the equilateral triangle. If it's this is the initial figure only. Initial figure equilateral triangles. Next one is the if it's rotated by the 120 degrees only. 120 degrees are a second figure. We will get this like one. And next one is the Next again you are 120 degrees. So that's why you can use the this like only. If it's a lastly you can finally the 3 times only. And if it's in this figure in this figure, what's one is the in full rotation. In full rotation three positions. Okay na, 3 positions where the shape we will get the same position only. Okay na, where the shape looks exactly the same position 3 times. One initial position, 1, 2, 3. Okay na? Are you okay?
Yes.
First figure and second and third one. The 3 times. And the order of the rotation. The order of rotation. Are you understood? And in this figure in the equilateral triangle. And it's rotated by a 120 degrees as it's a center for 3 times only. We will get the same position. We will get the same position or the same original figure only. So that's why it's a rotation. Are you understood? The order of the rotation equal to 3 only. Therefore, the angle of the rotation, the angle of rotation equal to 120 degrees. Are you understood? Neatly, in this figure, the angle of rotation is the 120 degrees. It's over. And next is the relationship between angle of rotation and the order of rotation. What's our one formula is there only. Relationship between that rotation and the relationship between the angle of rotation, the order of the rotations can be given by the one following formula there. What's the formula? First is the formula equal to angle of rotation. Okay na, are you understood? This is it's over 3 times only. Okay na, rotated by 3 times only. Yeah, angle of rotation equal to 360 degrees by order of rotation. This is the one formula. Relationship between the angle of rotation, the order of the rotations can be given by the, this is the one formula. 360 by angle of rotation equal 360 by order of rotation. Yeah, based on that one formula, through one example only. Today we will learn it based on this formula. One example. Find the angle of rotation for the given figure whose order of rotation is 5 only. Yeah, this is the pentagon. One example is the pentagon. So that's why today we will learn this only. One example today we will learn based on this formula. Okay na? Yeah, pentagon sides is the one sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. So that's why the order of rotation is the 5 only. What's are given here it is? Yeah, first of all you can write on the given solution and given order of rotation. What's are given here it is? Order of rotation are given. Order of rotation equal to 5 only. Asked is the angle of rotation. You can find the angle of rotation only. So that's why you can is the asked means is the angle of rotation to find. Otherwise asked. And that is the angle of rotation. Next is the formula. What's the formula? Formula is the angle of rotation. Rotation equal to 360 degrees by order of rotation. Okay na? Next is the solution. Solution. Yeah, first one is the angle of rotation. Yeah, angle of rotation by 360 degrees. Order of rotation is already given. So that's why order of rotation is the 5 only. So that's why the 5 1 is 5, 5 7 is 35 only. 5 2 is 10. So that's why it's the 72 degrees. Are you okay, Gagan sir? Yeah, therefore the angle of rotation of pentagon. The angle of rotation of pentagon equals 72 degrees. Okay now? How to find out that are you understood the answer neatly? Yeah, sides and order for rotation already given. So that's why you can use the formula. You can substitute the formulas. You can find out the angle of rotation only. This is the pentagon. Sides is the 5 only. So that's why it's the pentagon only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why you can angle of rotation is the 72 degrees only. And another one is the real world examples of the rotational symmetry. What is the two examples are given here? This type of a car and order of a rotation. And another example is the snowflake. Order of rotation is the 6 only. Here it is that already a type of a car. Order of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easily can order of rotation easily can find out. Here it is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. Order of rotation already given, that is the 6 only. So you can what's the solutions, you can write down that this is the only real world examples of the rotational symmetry. You can first of all you can given, you can write down the given only. Given equal to order of rotation is given. Okay, now are you understood that answer neatly? Rotation equal to 5 only. So that's why you can use the to find. Otherwise is asked. Anyone only. Asked means is the angle of rotation. Asked. Next one is the formula. Formula equal to angle of rotation. Angle of rotation equal to 360 degrees by order of rotation. Order of rotation. Okay na? Means the 360 degrees by what's our 5 only. Same only. This leg is also same. And this is the angle of rotation is the. So therefore the angle of rotation equal to 72 degrees. Same only. And another one is also you can directly substitute the formula. Say angle of rotation. Angle of rotation equal to 360 degrees by 6 only. Order of rotation is the 6. So 6 1 is 6, 6 6 the 36 0. So that's why it's the 60 degrees only. Therefore angle of rotation of snowflake equal to 60 degrees. Are you okay? Are you understood the answer neatly? Type of a car of the order angle of rotation is the what's the angle of rotation is the 72 degrees and a snowflake of the angle of rotation is the 60 degrees only. Are you understood the answer? Two examples is over, and next one is the some shapes are may not have the reflection symmetry. Yeah, some shapes are not reflection symmetry only. Yeah, but have the rotational symmetry only. For examples of the parallelogram. But here it is not a reflection symmetry. For can draw that this is the parallelogram. Yeah, draw one diagonal and reflection symmetry. So line of symmetry. First of all, this left side. Yeah, both are the coincide with each other.
Yes. No.
No. But here it is two triangles. Two triangles are not coincide with each other only. Okay, now two parts, this parts and this parts. So in parallelogram, draw one line of symmetry, and this figure is folded along its axis of symmetry. So that's why you can this figure is coincide with each other.
No.
So both parts is not coincide with each other only. So that's why you can say this is no line of symmetry exists in a parallelogram only.
Okay.
No line of symmetry exists in a parallelogram, and but they have rotational symmetry. Is it's okay, but your rotational symmetry exists in parallelogram, but your line symmetry is not exists only. For examples of your this is the parallelogram only. If it's this one is the parallelogram, but this is the initial position only. If it's rotated by 90 degrees and this like only. Okay now, then again it can is rotated by the 180 degrees and this one only. So that's why we will get this like is the same original positions in this in this figure in full rotation. Two positions only. Okay now, there are two positions where the shape looks exactly the same only.
Yes.
Are you okay? Are you understood the answer neatly? And are in this what's one is the rotational symmetry exists in a parallelogram with an order. What's the order is the 2 only. అంటే 180 degrees, 90 plus 90, so 2 only. Are you understood? I can say here this is the parallelogram and this is the figure only, but it is not coincide. No lines of exits in our here. It is the write down. I can say no line symmetry. No line symmetry exits in a parallelogram. Okay now here it is that this is the parallelogram. We are rotated by the 90 degrees this style, and here this is the okay now rotated by the 180 degrees, and we will get the first and this likewise both are the we will get the same only. Two positions we will there where the shape looks exactly the same only, we will get the same only. Rotated by the 180 degrees, parallelogram is rotated by the 180 degrees, we will get the same original figure only. Yeah, but one is the rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry exits only. Rotational symmetry exits in a parallelogram. So parallelogram with an order of 2 only. Okay, are you understood? Absolutely. Yeah, this is that what's one is the expert book part 2, or in this topic is it's over. What's our topic is the rotational symmetry, it's over. In our expert book part 2 it's over. And this is the notes only. I can say this is the rotational symmetry. What's the definition? Angle of rotational symmetry, and this is the order of symmetry. This is the notes is also, and this is this after this one only. And next yeah, today is our class is it's over, and next same topic that is the 15.2 rotational symmetry on the same topic we will continue the next class only. Okay now?
Okay.
But today the class is it's over, and so that's why I can see this is the notes, and tomorrow onwards we will continue the same another same topic on your Telangana state book. Today the class is over. Say thank you. Have a nice day, my dear Gagan. Say bye bye.